Yeah, this is the short video showing you the view here in Jasper, and this city is a beautiful city, but because of natural issues, natural problems, this city has been banned by fire. So as you see, all bushes or forests are all banned. So as I told you last time when I came to BC, we were in Jasper, and Jasper is the last city between BC and Alberta province. So this city is a very nice city, but as you see, it's all banned. No green, only small grass down, but no green trees. So we are here heading to Alberta with our moms and sisters in front there, as you are seeing. Mama Jog is there, Mama Maria is here also. They are driving us to Alberta. And here our young daughter, my brother and friend Char. So we are enjoying the trip, guys. We are enjoying the trip, and probably we will reach midnight, like 12 o'clock or 11 p.m. But the traveling on the road is a nice one, guys. You can know the cities, the areas. This BC is all for tourism. It's a tourism areas. So guys, I just want to show you the situation here, and as you see, the city and the area is all banned by fire. So let me stop here. Later on I will let you know more about our trip.